In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to day trade on Etoro. Whether you're a beginner looking to dive into the world of trading or an experienced trader wanting to refine your strategy, this step-by-step guide will ensure you make the most of your Etoro experience. Let's get started by heading over to Etoro's official website. Use your preferred browser and navigate to etoro.com, where you can access a wide variety of investment options all in one powerful app. Make sure you're at the right place by checking the site for its signature branding and user-friendly layout. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button prominently positioned on the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, it might be a good idea to register. Having your credentials ready will streamline the process and save you time. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Etoro homepage. This is your hub for all activities related to trading and investing. Here you can view your portfolio, track investments, and stay updated on the latest market trends. From the homepage, find and click on the Discover tab. This section is crucial for exploring the vast options that Etoro provides. It acts as a gateway to the global market, offering insights and information on various assets available for trading. Once inside the Discover tab, you'll want to click on Explore Global Markets. This will provide you with a comprehensive view of the different markets you can engage with, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. Take your time to familiarize yourself with this feature, as it's vital for identifying potential trading opportunities. Now that you are in the Market section, it's time to analyze the market. This involves studying trends, tracking asset performance, and scrutinizing market data and news. Take advantage of the extensive tools and resources provided by Etoro to make well-informed decisions. The platform offers charts, historical data, and analytics to help you refine your trading strategies. Finally, when you feel confident with your analysis, it's time to open a trade. Choose the asset you wish to invest in and click to open its detailed page. Here, you can specify how much you wish to invest. Set your trade conditions, and review your potential risks and benefits. When you're ready, confirm your trade. Remember, it's essential to stay informed and updated on market changes to maximize your potential for returns and manage risks effectively. By following these steps, you'll set yourself on the right path to successfully day trade using Etoro. Continue to educate yourself, track trends, and adjust your strategies as needed. Happy trading!